everybody. Welcome to the ADU show. This is episode 17 with Harry Ho from BMO Bank at Westminster. We are so happy to welcome you, Harry. Welcome.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. And thank you, Nora, for your invitation.
Thank you. So Harry comes with 8 years of retail banking. He's currently the bank manager at Westminster, and he has experience with personal and business lending. Welcome again, Harry. And can you tell us more about yourself and your experience?
Yes, so thank you, Nora, for your very lovely introductions. So my name is Harry Ho. I'm currently a bank manager at BMO Westminster branch. Our specialize is in both personal and business lending. We are very honored and happy to serve you as our client if you ever have any financial needs.
Perfect. What are the type of loans that BMO banks offer?
Let me briefly go over. If we offer auto loan, truck loan, business loan, commercial real estate loan, and the most related to our topic today would be the home equity loan and home equity line of credit to give you access to your home equity, which is the inflated value of your home without selling it.
So, in other words, if you bought your house for 300K and now it's worth 600K, so your equity is the difference between them, right?
That's correct. The equity will be 600 minus 300 will be 300,000 equity.
Okay, perfect. So can you tell us more about, because like we are into ADU designs and home additions and renovation, and I know that now banks are not doing like construction loans. So can you tell us more about like the types of loans that a person who's interested in ADU can apply for?
So basically, if you ever have owned a home and you know your home grow up in value after years, you basically have two options without selling it. The first option will be cash out refinance, which is means like you're gonna cash out. You're gonna apply for another mortgage to pay off your current mortgage with a certain amount of cash that you request, and you're gonna need to pay another 15 to 30 years for the new mortgage. The second option I think will be much cheaper and much more realistic will be the home equity line of credit. It means you don't have to touch your first mortgage, but the bank will just give you, if you pay up your home, you can access the up to 80% of your home's value. If you still have mortgage, then you have to deduct whatever you owe with the other bank or even with our own bank, your first mortgage balance. And the bank will give you a line of credit good for 10 years. It's like the credit card. The money is always ready for you in the first 10 years with the minimum interest payment only. And after the initial 10 years, the bank will give you another 20 years just to pay up the balance that you owe.
Wow. What's the difference between a loan and a line of credit?
A line of credit is actually we calling a flexible base. You can advance and pay it back, and the line will still be there anytime you like to withdraw. The loan is different. Once the loan is funded, you are subject and you are required to make monthly payment, no matter you use those money or not. As long as we give you the money, put into your checking account or savings account, then starting next month, you are required to pay back. Like we break into monthly payment, like purchasing a car.
Perfect. So if I want to have a line of credit for 200K, I don't have to use all the 200K. It's like a credit card. Whenever I use it, I can make payments all over. But if it's a loan, I will have to start from now paying it.
Exactly. So for the 200K line, if you only use 50,000 at the moment, the bank only calculate the interest based on that 50,000, and you are only required to pay 50,000 at this moment. And the remaining 150,000 you can access anytime you like. Or when you have money, you can pay off that 50,000, and the 200,000 line limit will become available again. Loan is different. When I give you 200,000 today, you are required to start paying next month.
Okay.
In a monthly payment.
So let's explain to our homeowners why is this important. So when you're doing an ADU project, you don't need the $200,000 in the beginning. You only need to start doing phases. So your contractor is going to do the foundation first, dig, and then build the foundation. This might cost you like 50,000 K. The phasing of the project would make you pay less interest while you're going on the project. So you're not taking the 200K and having the interest from the beginning at 10%. You're just gonna get the interest on pieces of it. And as you pay it, you don't pay interest when you pay it. Something like that, right?
That's true. So for, again, line of credit, if you don't use it, you are not subject to any interest or principal payment. You are only required when you access the money, advance the money out, we call it.
Perfect. And I know that you have two options with it. With the line of credits, you can also get fixed rate or a flexible rate, right?
Yes, currently BMO offering two options for home equity line of credit is you want fixed rate or variable rate. And for variable rate, it means the bank will only is go up and down based on the market. Basically, usually it's primary plus margin of the bank. For fixed rate is will be a slightly higher than right now than the flexible rate as market price, but it's good for you in the long term. It's just based on the market and how you see the market. If you anticipating the market trending down, then you might want to get a variable rate to enjoy the lower rate in the future.
Okay, that's interesting. Can you show us like how do you calculate the line of credit?
Absolutely. I'm getting all the data from our BMO's website, which is accessible for all the customer and prospect. I'm going to choose home equity line of credit.
And that's the website for BMO, and you can do it from anywhere in the US, right?
Correct. Anywhere in the world.
Anywhere in the world. Okay, cool.
Correct. So we call line of credit calculator.
Okay.
What you need to do is just do exactly go to bmo.com and go to home equity line of credit, the product name. And
Okay.
I'm assuming your home worth 1 million right now in the California market.
Okay.
And you owe 150,000 in mortgage,
Okay.
in your first mortgage.
Okay.
Then max loan to value ratio will be 80%. It means we
Okay.
can lend you up to 80% of your home value minus whatever amount you owe on your first mortgage. It come up
Okay.
to 650,000
Oh, wow.
is how we calculate it.
That's awesome, dude. I think this is going to help a lot of homeowners who are hesitant to start the project just because they are afraid of the interest rate and they are afraid of the how are they going to finance their projects. Harry, thank you so much for explaining this. It's a great example. Can you just play with the numbers again? Let's say I owe 300,000.
Absolutely. Let me play with the number again. Then you can qualify up to 500,000.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. And that's 80% of the loan value to value ratio.
Exactly, because your home worth 1 million at the moment, you have 300,000 loan existing. 80% of the 1 million is 800,000. We minus 300,000 to get you 500,000 limit.
Okay. Perfect. So yes, everybody who's listening to us today, please contact Harry. I'm gonna put his contact information into our blog and into the description of this video, and connect with him if you really want to do the project, and tell him Noura send me. Harry, thank you so much for coming with us and explaining everything that is like so complicated for us in a so simple way. I appreciate that you came with us. Would you like to add anything before we close?
Yes, so our branch address will be located at 7751 Westminster Boulevard in the city of Westminster, California. Our zip code is 92683. Open Monday to Thursday, 9 to 5, and Fridays, 9 to 6. You are welcome to come in anytime and ask for the assistance from our banker. And of course, bring up the value is the referral from Noura for HELOC. Our phone number is 714-893-2431. So let me call my banker in really quick. So his name is Norm. He speaks multiple languages, Vietnamese and English. So with a lot of experience working in banking as well.
Hi, Nam. Welcome.
All right, thank you.
Would you like to speak a little bit in Vietnamese and tell to the community how your bank can help us?
I have been in banking for 10 years. I'm currently a relationship banker here at the Westminster location. Yeah, I'll be the second point of contact if you ever need any help. If Harry is not here, I'd be happy to help if anybody have any question.
Perfect, Nan. What makes your branch really special?
Because we're passionate about helping people success financially, and then especially the home equity life credit. I love helping people understand the importance of utilizing the equity that you've been building for your home, that you work so hard to pay it off for and then building it up. So you may as well utilize it.
Yes, there's a lot of people who are living paycheck to paycheck and they are not utilizing their equity. And a line of equity can really help you with a lot of things in your life.
Yeah, when you talk about rainy day, people think about savings, but rainy days, like you have your house there. So that should be your financial security right there.
Yes, I always say that the house is your treasure. So if you can unlock your treasure, you can unlock your life.
Yes.
Thank you, Nam, for coming with us,
Thank you for
and
helping me.
we
I
appreciate
return
you.
Harry.
Thank you, everyone. I wish you have a great weekend. And of course, remember, BMO Westminster is here whenever you need us.
Perfect. Guys, if you have any questions for Harry and you want him to come again, please comment on our video and let us know what you need us to answer, and we'll bring Harry again to answer your questions. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Share the video. Bye.